I don't know who's familiar with blood splatter, but check this out. This is really gross. I don't want to send it into the water, but where is it? Ah, it just squirted. Well, that's actually a good sign that it didn't squirt out. Oh. I consider it like burping and farting. I don't necessarily want to hear people burping and farting, but when I hear Mother Earth do it, it's like a baby, you know? Like when a baby burps, that's a good thing, right? I try and laugh as many times a day as a baby. It's freaking, like I said, this is a dirty job. And people literally don't support me because they don't help me throw away some of this solid waste. And I think it should be toxic waste. Some of it probably is. If you do this work, you should probably consult your primary care physician regularly like I do.